Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to embed a Google Doc into Moodle. So it's a direct link into the document itself without having to go in and out of Google itself, or sorry, Moodle itself. And if you're doing this, you're just going to, first of all, find a form. So I'm just going to use a copy of the syllabus I was working on and click on it. File it to the, publish it to the web. Okay, so you're going to hit File and then Publish to the web, because what you're looking for here is the embed code. So it's going to come up with a link. Do you want to link it to this? Do you want to link it to that? No, you don't want to do all that. If you do want to link it, you can do that too. But if you want to embed it, you're going to click Embed, and you are going to copy that right there. And then you can come back to your Add an Activity or Resource. You are going to click on the page. Page is just information. So I'm not trying to have them actively do something other than look at the information. So that's why I'm using page. So I'm going to call this one form. Again, you can add a description if you'd like. Make sure you don't add too long of a description, especially if you're displaying it on course page. But I really want to get down here to content and click this down arrow. Use the greater than or less than signs. I just delete what's there and then paste it. You can adjust the height and width of this, and I'm going to show this to you because it becomes kind of tiny if you don't. So save and display, and you can see how tiny this is. Like, nobody's going to do that. So if you come back to the form itself and actually edit it, and you come down to the HTML code, right before here, you are going to add width equals 800, height equals 1200. It's hard not to put spaces in there. And then you can see these are now going to give me, and it's right before the greater than sign that you do that. Save and display, and voila, you actually have it in there as a form that can be read without without being so stinking tiny. So this right here, that is your instructions on how to add a Google form in Moodle. Again, you might have to change the size of it. Don't be scared of that. Just put it right before the greater than sign, width equals, space, height equals, and you can get the size that you want. And you can play with those numbers, which is really kind of cool. So hopefully that helped.